Nothing tests oil like a Formula One car being pushed to breaking point in the pinnacle of motorsport. It puts an extraordinary and sustained pressure on both man and machine. The same level of pressure is placed on the engine itself, and the only thing standing between the surfaces in the engine is the oil. That's why Castrol Edge Supercar is tested and proven like no other Castrol oil for maximum strength, minimum friction and greatest engine endurance, allowing it to perform in moments of intense pressure.